There's too many of them. Our lines will never hold. But you are forgetting, we have the defensive advantage. Gentlemen, you need to remember how much this conflict has cost us. Have you seen those front lines? Alright everyone, listen up, this is important. Our sensors have picked up a lot of movement heading directly towards us. Get ready for battle. Listen, soldier, I need to contact home front. You have a comms array nearby? Yeah, this one behind me. But if you don't mind, I gotta do something. I just lost two close friends of mine.